there from Noireaux.
Oh, look at that.
Love to see it. Outstanding contest for Morgan Noireaux, who looks like he's going to take the win for the 2014 PWA Aloha Classic. An amazing contest for our friend Morgan.
No, the dream right now is, it's not like being world champ or anything at this point. Just use the opportunity I have for the moment to just travel and then compete and just do the best I can do at it and use the opportunity I have to the fullest right now. To win, it was cool. Like, it felt like the whole contest, everything was just really falling into place. There's just like no moments where I thought I was going to lose. Just every heat I was making it pretty easily, and then I got to the final and I sailed really well. So I know it was a cool feeling. I don't know, I've never had that feeling of just everything working and everything. Like, I made it to the final and then I won, and I looked back on the whole contest and I was like, damn, everything just went so easily and everything just flowed. So yeah, I was like satisfied and happy and kind of surprised at how everything went. The AWT this year was, I think, the best year I've ever had on the AWT, not just result-wise, but condition-wise, and everything else was a lot of fun. A lot of good moments. Places that stood out, definitely Peru was the highlight of my year. Went there a bit in advance, and then we just got epic conditions the whole time. I've never had waves like that in my life before, and that was sweet. Just kind of opens your mind to what's out there, and so yeah, that was definitely a good one. And then obviously Baja, I won that event, so that was cool. We had some fun conditions as well. Baja's always fun, and so yeah, Baja and Peru definitely the highlights of AWT for me. I love living on Maui. It's a cliche answer, but just the fact that my parents moved here and gave me the chance to grow up here is sweet. Like, I could have grown up in Paris and that would have been a big change. So